Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, with a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. However, in the last 48 hours, we're witnessing heavy dump on the market. And as I mentioned, if you need help, feel free to message me at _magnate. Before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like the video. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Based on a weekly time frame, we have this scenario, as I keep mentioning in the last video, which I'm going to put in the end of this video. As I said, highly likely, if we're going to come to this level again, we will take 786. This was high time frame support, which we've been following as soon as we got rejection right from 382. That was end of March and beginning of April. We got 382 rejection. Higher time frame went heavily underwater, and as I said, 618, highly likely we're going to lose and we will come to this level. Altogether, first support, second support, and that was a third support based on a higher time frame. And as you can see, we lost it in the last video, which I mentioned, highly likely that we're going to print an SFP, either with an SFP or we're going to take this low. At the moment, I shared this pitchfork as well, that you're going to take it from $65,000 all the way up to 69, and then the summer low. So as you can see, rejection exactly from 67, and that was a confluence, the 0.618, the pitchfork. At the moment, again, we're testing 0.618, which I already gave these levels via Twitter. However, this level is going to be extremely important in the coming weeks and months. So this is another thing that you have to pay attention. 0.786, the Fibonacci level, high time frame, not paying too much attention. We'll have some lower series support levels plus confluence. For the whales and the big traders, something they're not into it, because you've got lower levels, and that levels are way more important. Similar like a 0.618. If that was a support without breaking the higher time frame support, that could have been hold. But otherwise, as I said, there was a little chance that we're going to hold this level, because already once we lost the main support, horizontal support, we lost 0.618. So the similar levels are actually within this box, and we will look into in the coming videos those levels. Daily time frame. Based on the daily time frame, as soon as 60,000 lost, first leg down, first exit level 60,052, as well as the $48,000. So $52,000 and $48,000 was a single resistance, higher time frame resistance, which was a confluence with it, if I'm not mistaken, 0.382. And as I said, that was a fake out. And I was expecting that if we're going to get a $22,000, we have to do a fake out test based on a daily time frame. So as we saw, the rejection level came right from 21,500. The level was 21,500 all the way up to $22,000. So we got rejection right from $21,500. And I have also confluence with the lower line of the system that I'm following for the investor levels. So that was another confluence. We didn't touch for so long time. And even though we came to this level, there was a chance that we're going to see a rejection without claiming this resistance. Based on a mid as well as the higher time frame, we've got important support, which is the next one, which I provided already. The yesterday's one, that was around $16,000. However, we crashed that one as well, and we're trying, highly likely that we're going to test around $14,500 and $13,500. And as you remember, as soon as we exited right from $60,000, that was the first exit level, we saw 73% with the current price action. Market dumped 72.5% dump in the market, with the average between 48 and 52,000. That's going to give us $50,000, and all the way up to this point we saw 68 with the current price action, 65% dump in the market. Moving on 4-hour time frame. Based on a 4-hour time frame, we followed the current level since the mid of September around these levels, and as you can see, we played the same support and resistance levels over 50 days. So right from 618, the golden pocket, we saw a massive rejection in the market. As soon as we broke this level, 4 hours started, as well as the 2-hour time frame started bullish setup. So we reached to our target level, which is a resistance number 1, 4%, resistance number 2, 7%, all the way up to this daily resistance plus the confluence with a 0.618 that provided over 10% pump in the market. If you manage your stop loss, and as I said, losing this level gonna give us 20,000, gonna give us literally a dump in the market in the last video. You can follow me via Twitter. Instant updates always be on the Twitter. As soon as we broke $20,000, 4-hour time frame already moved under the bear's control. And I said the dump was quite faster than the last video I mentioned, based on a 4-hour time frame, 48 and 72 hours. And to get back to consolidation, you have to break $20,000. However, even if we get back to $20,000, we've got strong resistance $20,500 and $20,700. So as you can see, that was a 0.618 as well as the horizontal resistance. We reached $20,640, $50. We saw a massive rejection from 0.618, and then there was other confluence as well that I shared. That was a confluence with a smart money line, which is based on a multiple time frame. And that was another exit level. So as you can see, from 618 lower time frame support, we went back to 618 higher time frame, from mid time frame 618 to higher time frame. And as I said, back it up with a smart money line, which I showed earlier on, and confluence. And also, like as I said, when it touched to this smart money, as you can see, 0.618 as well, how it started, how it's going. And 4 hour time frame, as I said, already underwater, and swing setups looks promising. So as you can see, from this 0.618 all the way to this 0.618, we pumped 6-7%, which is a massive. And from there, swing position, you're supposed to exit from the market or sell the market. We saw 25% dump in the market with the current price action, 20% dump. So they're exactly the same support, resistance, and the Fibonacci levels we played nearly 2 months, and they are not applicable anymore. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And one-on-one intense masterclass is available, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. And also, we're seeing a dump depegging from the USDT against the Binance USD. And I also covered in the masterclass how to protect your capital and how to diversify the capital. It's also included in the masterclass. Plus, I'm already running risk management within the masterclass. Moving on with our analysis. In yesterday's update, as you can see, weekly pitchfork plus higher time frame Fibonacci extension levels 0.618 was approaching to $16,000. As you can see, we're literally touched to our target and we started pumping. From there on, again, if you're doing a scalping, quick scalping, which is extremely dangerous in this situation, we saw another about 6 to 7% pump in the market. So therefore, you have to be careful. If you're able to exit and sell the market right from $20,500 and $700, as I said, 25% dump, and you have to expect these levels, which is going to be around $14,500 all the way up to $13,200. And again, without a trend change, it's not really ideal in this market condition to exit and to enter into market. You might not be able to catch a trend. So in this episode, I'm not going to cover a bullish scenario because higher time frame, lower time frame, as well as the mid time frames are heavily under the bear's control. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay safe. We came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.